Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. We are officially counting down to the release of my debut book, the Mindful Glow Cookbook. So I'm really excited to share this with you guys. It's coming out December 4th and it's currently on pre-order. So you definitely want to check out the link right here to get your copy. So this is a collection of all my greatest healthy recipes. There's really something for everyone. We've got gluten-free recipes, vegan recipes, vegetarian recipes, dairy-free, nut-free. Everything is in this book. And there's breakfast, there's main courses, sides and salads, snacks, desserts, and of course, lots of great little nibblies and cocktails for entertaining. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be entertaining for the holidays, so I wanted to share with you a little teaser, a little sneak peek of one of my favorite recipes from the book. This is my Balsamic Roasted Brussels Sprouts, grapes, and figs. This recipe is completely vegan, it's gluten-free, it's dairy-free, but it is loaded with tons of nutrition and of course, lots of flavor. In a medium bowl, I combine the Brussels sprouts, grapes, figs, thyme, olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Then I give it a good toss to coat. Next, I spread the mixture evenly onto the baking sheet and I roast it until it's evenly caramelized and drizzle it with some balsamic vinegar, transfer it to a platter, and garnish with toasted pecans. Enjoy! So guys, how excited are you about this recipe? And there are over 100 other amazing recipes in the book that you definitely need. So do not forget to pre-order your copy today. The link is right here in the description, so you're not gonna wanna miss out. So guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below letting me know who in your life really needs this book, because let's be real, it's gonna be a great holiday gift. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!